Unboxing. Forward escape right front lower control arm. Right front, lower control arm. Tools required for right front lower control arm removal and installation. Large torque wrench. Breaker bar. Pry bar. Large electric impact wrench. Impact driver. Small flathead screwdriver. 8mm quick wrench. 21mm wrench. Large short extension bar. T55 Torx bit. T30 Torx bit. 10mm short socket. 13mm short socket. 18mm short socket. 19mm deep socket. Use a 19mm deep socket with breaker bar to loosen the wheel hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the wheel hub bolts. Remove the wheel hub. Use an 8mm quick wrench to remove the height sensor. Remove the height sensor. Use an 18mm short socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the mounting nut for the lower control arm ball joint. Use a T55 Torx bit with an 8mm quick wrench to hold the bolt. Remove the nut and bolt. Remove the engine under cover. Use an impact driver with a T30 Torx bit. Remove the undercover bolts. Remove the undercover. Use a 13mm short socket with an electric impact wrench to loosen the mounting bolt connecting the load path bar to the bracket. Loosen it. Use a 10mm short socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the mounting bolts connecting the bracket to the front axle. Flip the bracket open. Use an 18mm short socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the mounting bolt at the front of the lower control arm. Remove the bolt. Use a 21mm wrench to secure the nut on the two bolts behind the lower control arm. The nut is directly behind the steering gear. Secure the two mounting nuts behind the lower control arm with the same method. Use an 18mm short socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the two mounting bolts behind the lower control arm. Secure the wrench firmly. Remove the nut and bolt. Secure the upper nut with a wrench. Remove the nut and bolt. Use a pry bar to assist in removing the lower control arm. Remove the lower control arm. Comparison of original and new lower control arm. Excessive ball joint clearance has caused abnormal noises in the vehicle. We need to replace the lower control arm. Before installation, remove the retaining clip from original lower control arm. Use a small flathead screwdriver to assist in removing. Install the retaining clip to the new lower control arm. Remove the plastic protective cover. Install the new lower control arm. Install the two mounting bolts behind the lower control arms. Install the upper mounting nut. Install the other mounting bolt. Install the upper mounting nut. Use a pry bar to assist aligning the front mounting holes. Install the front mounting bolt. Install the lower control arm ball joint to the knuckle. Install the mounting bolt for the lower control arm and the knuckle. Install the nut and the bolt. Use an 18mm short socket with an electric impact wrench, T55 Torx bit, and an 8mm quick wrench. Tighten the mounting bolt, connecting the lower control arm ball joint to the knuckle. Secure the bolt using a Torx bit. Tighten it using a socket. Use an 18mm short socket with a torque wrench to torque the mounting bolt, connecting the lower control arm ball joint to the knuckle to 90 Nm or 66 foot-pounds. Use a 21mm wrench with an 18mm short socket and an electric impact wrench to tighten the two mounting bolts behind the lower control arm. Use a wrench to secure the upper nut. Use an electric impact wrench with an 18mm short socket to tighten the mounting bolt at the front of the lower control arm. Use an 18mm short socket with a short extension bar and torque wrench to torque the three mounting bolts on the lower control arm to 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds. Use an electric impact wrench with a 10mm short socket to install the mounting bolt connecting the bracket to the front axle. Use a 13mm short socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the mounting bolt connecting the load path bar to the bracket. Install the height sensor bracket and the bolt. Use an 8mm quick wrench to tighten the mounting bolt on the height sensor bracket. Install the engine undercover. The newly installed mounting holes are here. Use a T30 Torx bit with an impact driver to install the undercover bolts. Install the front wheel. Install the wheel hub bolts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Tighten the front wheel hub bolt. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Torque the front wheel hub bolts to 150 Nm or 110 foot-pounds.